This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michael Miller. What's special? Open floor plan epoxy garage floor granite countertops 3 feet bathroom countertops remote controlled garage screen remote controlled hurricane shutters on the lanai California closets in all bedrooms pool. Come see this beautifully designed pool home boasting of an inviting open floor plan, perfect for entertaining and family living. The kitchen highlights its elegant backsplash and granite countertops that provide both beauty and durability. Each bathroom has been designed with 3 feet of countertops for added space and comfort. California Closet's custom design can be found in each closet to maximize storage and organization throughout. The home has also been designed with 8 doors, adding to the modern, airy feel. The garage is finished with epoxy flooring and comes with remote-controlled garage screen for added ventilation and convenience. Step out to the back lanai where you will find remote-controlled weather/hurricane shutters for those rainy afternoons or storm seasons, giving you peace of mind. Enjoy the private pool. Perfect for relaxation and entertainment. Whether you prefer a fully furnished home or want to bring your own personal touch, this property is available with or without furniture. The home has been smoke-free and pet-free, ensuring a clean, fresh environment for the next owners. With thoughtful upgrades and premium features, this home is ready to welcome you. Winding Cypress includes over 800 acres, natural preserve, nature trails, dog park, low hoa, clubhouse activity room, fitness center, heated resort-style pool, white sandy lounge area, bar and grill, library, catering kitchen, tennis and pickleball courts, natural gas. 15 minutes from 5th Avenue, 20 minutes from Marco Island.